Nanilhig ko gikan guys. Ito andito si Bella. Bella! Ah, pasok na tayo. Kain na kain. Hap, Maris, hap, hap, hap. Pagkainin ko sa bibi ng oats na nilagyan ko ng dates para matamis siya konti.
Tingnan mo to. May rescue. Sobrang bansa. Eh, di ba ganyan naman talaga sila noon pa man? Kaya, hindi ko na talaga. Kung ganyan sila kapulis.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday, it's preparation day, March 27, 2026. So it's 6 a.m. now here guys. Look at the weather. I mean the sunshine. Look at that. It's a nice. Okay, I try to speak English because there's also viewers from here. So I'm so sorry my Kenyan's viewers that sometimes I forgot to speak in English. So now I prepare food guys because my husband parents they are here. So I changed to cook. I changed the food to what? This is my should be to cook guys. This green grams or munggo. I soak this one overnight. Look. And mabaho. Iba yung baho niya. I soak this one guys, but I found it that I don't have charcoal. It's finished. So maybe later I will cook this one so that I can buy charcoal there because now it's very early to go in the market, no one selling. So I will cook na lang this potato and chapati for them. So let me add something here. I add this one guys. So I will pan it now. I will peel it. Peel, where are you? It's here. I did here. So ayun. So I will peel now guys. My parents say husband guys. They are here. Yesterday evening, but not. I mean, near here in the hospital. They go for check-up. Yeah, because saying that they are sick. So I prepare and I cook food for them. The, last night, guys, the rain is too much. Maybe my face there is not good. It's not good always. The rain is too much, guys. That's why now it's very cold, but it's good that there is sunshine now. That's why I feel sinus. This is the yung kalaban ako, yung ano ba, in my language that this is yung kalaban ako tong tugnaw diri guys. Cold. I'm saying that I'm allergic with cold here, and my sinus will out. Katawanan dyan ko mag-English, oy. Ano? What else? Let me finish this one first, guys, okay? So, I just wash myself. I just wash my face and then like that, then I start. It should be around the 5 or 4, but Bila is crying asking for milk. That's why it's a bit late to prepare this one now. Ay, you know guys, when I woke up in the morning, this hand here, this is my problem that I feel like I can't hold a things. It's feel like maminhod siya ba? Maminhod siya guys, sakit. But later it will goes na. Diba? But when morning, basta sa umaga lagi guys, masakit talaga yung kamay ko. Ewan ko bakit yung tinatawag na carpal tunnel ba yun. So, kailangan ko ganun-ganun. Ewan ko kung saan to. Hindi naman ako nalalawak kahapon. So, need lang ako to i-release. It's like I can't hold another things. Like panic. So, I slice like this, guys. Cubes. So, I put this garlic, onion, and more tomatoes so that it's yummy. So, durog-durog na. Here guys, when they are cooking guys, here they don't like putting garlic when they cook food. So as we cook with, pag magigisa tayo, nandyan palagi yung garlic. My husband only eat only eat this garlic with my husband eat garlic on top food. Ano ba yan? Bulok maning kuan onion, Bombay. What I mean guys, yung husband ko mahilig magkilaw ng ahos. Good kasi yung ahos kasi antibacteria. Good antibacteria yung garlic. Ay, sakit talaga yung kamay ko guys. Ay, naminhod ba? Di halos maka-slice ng di halos makahawak ng kutsilyo. Ay, magluluto pa ako ng chapati. Ho, 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 ho. Masakit. Sabi ni Doc Willie, ganito daw siya. I-exercise. I put oil. And then, nalagyan ng tubig konti. Ito na yun. So, I put first the garlic. The garlic. I don't know, guys, what is the correct? Is onion or garlic? The first one to cook. So, garlic. Onion. Onion. Ang lakas ng nasusobraan sa init. Tapos, wait. Transfer this mic here. Okay. So now I put the tomatoes. So I put salt, guys. After that, I wash my hands. Then, ilalagay ko tong potato. Lagyan ko mamaya ng tubig, guys. So, I put the water later. Let me cook that tomato first. And then cover. So now, while we are waiting potato, I will cook. I mix with chapati flour. Let me transfer this one here. I use this. Langgana. So, let me put the water. Put salt. Put salt, guys. So, let dissolve it first. Baby is awake. So, I will not put sugar. So, only this. Let me put some salt. Salt is enough. Too much salt, guys, is not good. It's not good. So, my rice is finished. So, I need to buy. After this, guys, we're going to the town with my husband. Yeah. Saying that we will buy something that I thought we don't have brown flour, guys. It's finished. So I mix with the wedge flour. Silk raisin. And mix. Wala, dadaghan akong tubig. I put more water. It's okay. Since we are mainly now, kumot-kumuton sana ako guys, no? Let me wash again. Tungkol pa kay ko guys. What time I sleep? Ay, it's 12. Because my husband came very late, 11. Ay, nadaghan yun din ako siya tubig. Wala. It's almost finished guys. So ito na yun guys, nalata na gyud. Pero okay na to, mas maganda kasi yung soup. Overcook na. So I'm done with the potato guys. I cook Bella food oats. I use oats. So I give Bella food every morning guys, oats with I put banana or I put one date fruit din para matamis siya. I put like 5 tablespoons. So yeah. So I'm done with the chapati. No, I mean I'm done with masa-masa the chapati. So mamaya lulutuin ko. No, not mamaya, after this. Bibi natulog pa man si Bibi guys. So I prepare food before she wake. Parang hindi ko magustuhan magsalita ng English. Look, my husband here guys is hanging a cloth. Huh? Use pigs. Nagugulat ako guys kasi akala ko iring ba, cat. I thought that is a cat. So siya pala yung nagsasampay. I thought that is a cat. So you hang like that. Good morning guys. Excuse me. Huh? What? Okay. He want to cover the saan yun eh? Sa kitchen bag, gasanan sa gawas. Halay si daddy diri guys. Ang laba man na siya. Basa yung pants. Pagaling na ko unya ang mais. Di na muulan karon para makalakaw ko. Bella! Nakain ko siya ng oats at banana. Hi guys! Bulingit ako guys! Bulingit ako guys! Nabara mo ato na ta sa town. Up! Say up! Up! Down! Up! Down! Up! Down! Clap! 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 Clap your hands! Clap! 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 Clap your hands! Clap! Clap! High five! High five, Mama! High five! High five! Ay! High five! Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. So, yeah. Wa na naminaw. Up. Up. Down. Up. Up. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, guys.